You shower every day, you brush your teeth, you wash your hands. But what if I told you that some of your cleanest habits might secretly be making you dirtier? Yep, hygiene isn't just about doing the right things. It's also about doing them the right way. And today, we're breaking down 7 common hygiene mistakes that most people don't even realize they're making. Some of these mistakes are subtle, others are surprisingly gross, and one of them? It could be quietly damaging your skin or even weakening your immune system right now. Think about it. When was the last time you cleaned your phone? Or replaced your toothbrush? How often are you using the same towel? These little habits add up in big ways. Fixing just one of these might give your skin, your body, or even your health a much-needed upgrade. Let's dive into the list and see how many you're guilty of. Let's start with one of the sneakiest hygiene traps: dirty towels. You think you're drying off clean skin, but if that towel's been used a few too many times, it's probably a breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and even dead skin cells. Every time you reuse it, you're pressing that grime back onto your body. And it's not just gross, it can trigger breakouts, rashes, or body acne, especially on sensitive skin. The fix? Simple. Wash your towels after every 3 to 4 uses, or more often if they're damp or used post-workout. And yes, that includes your face towel too. Hand washing is crucial, but too much of a good thing can backfire. Washing your hands excessively, especially with harsh soaps or hot water, can strip away the natural oils that protect your skin. That leaves your hands dry, cracked, and vulnerable to irritation or even infection. And if you're reaching for antibacterial soaps constantly, you could be disrupting your skin's microbiome, your body's natural defense layer. Here's the fix. Wash when it matters: after using the restroom, before eating, after being in public, and use a gentle moisturizing soap. Bonus points if you follow up with a fragrance-free hand lotion. Your phone goes everywhere with you: your hands, your face, your pockets, even the bathroom. So it might not surprise you to hear that your phone likely has more bacteria than a public toilet seat. And yet, when's the last time you actually cleaned it? All that screen time means you're pressing germs against your skin, which can trigger breakouts, irritation, or even illness. Here's the fix. Use alcohol-based disinfecting wipes at least once a day, especially after being out in public. Don't forget to clean your phone case too. Your face and your immune system will thank you. If your toothbrush looks like it's been through a battle, frayed bristles, worn edges, it's way past its expiration date. Old toothbrushes aren't just ineffective, they can harbor bacteria, fungus, and leftover toothpaste gunk that you definitely don't want going back in your mouth. Plus, worn-out bristles don't clean properly, meaning plaque and food particles might be sticking around longer than you think. The fix? Replace your toothbrush, or toothbrush head if it's electric, every 3 months, and sooner if you've been sick or notice the bristles are splaying out. Clean mouth, fresh start, better breath, easy win. Skipping the shower after sweating. We've all been there. Finished a workout or came home from a hot day, too tired to shower. But skipping that rinse off? Big hygiene mistake. Sweat itself isn't the issue, it's the bacteria that thrive in it. Letting sweat sit on your skin can lead to clogged pores, body acne, rashes, and unpleasant odor. Even if you don't feel super sweaty, your skin's covered in salt, oils, and dirt by the end of the day. The fix: try to shower within an hour of sweating heavily. If that's not possible, at least do a quick wipe down and change into clean clothes. Not cleaning your bed sheets often enough. Think about it. Every night your sheets collect sweat, skin cells, oils, and whatever grime you've picked up during the day. That builds up fast and creates the perfect environment for breakouts, allergic reactions, and even dust mites. If your skin's been acting up or your allergies are flaring, your sheets might be to blame. Here's the fix: change and wash your bed sheets once a week, and your pillowcases even more often if possible. Clean bed, clear skin. Your bed should be your safe space, but if you're not washing your sheets regularly, it might be more like a bacteria buffet. Using too much soap or shampoo. More lather doesn't mean more clean. In fact, using too much soap or shampoo can actually strip your skin and hair of their natural oils, leaving them dry, irritated, or overcompensating with extra oil production. It's a common trap, especially with products that smell amazing or promise deep cleansing. But too much of a good thing can throw off your natural balance. The fix? Use just enough to get the job done. A quarter-sized amount for shampoo, and a light lather for body soap. And choose products that match your skin or hair type. A little goes a long way. So, How many of these hygiene mistakes were you making? The good news? Every one of them is easy to fix. From swapping your towels more often to wiping down your phone or using less shampoo, small changes can have a big impact on your health and hygiene. And remember, hygiene isn't just about being clean, it's about staying healthy, feeling confident, and giving your body what it needs to thrive. If you learned even one new thing today, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want more smart, science-backed tips to level up your everyday life, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.